Legal disclaimer: do not make this trade. Seriously, don't. This video is for educational purposes only and placed by a professional trader from Maverick Trading. Maverick Trading is sponsoring this trading experiment with a $100,000 trading account. To trade for Maverick Trading, you can submit an application for stock, option trader, or currency trader from the link in the video description below.
Welcome to trade number 68. We are the Flat Earth Trading Society, and what are we trying to do? We're trying to prove that the biggest conspiracy theory is not that the earth is flat. That is the second biggest conspiracy theory. The first is that all the books, all the websites are always about the entry of trading and never about the exit. We're going to show that the exit is more important. And to do that, we're going to choose random stocks with random trades, and we're just going to do crazy stuff and pick stocks. And we're going to put in strict position management rules where we sell our losers and hold our winners. What is trade 68? Well, we are going to be using Scrabble Tiles again. We've done this, I think, once or twice before, but Scrabble Tiles are always fun, so let's get into the Scrabble Tiles. All right, here we have the bag of Scrabble Tiles. I'm going to go ahead and dump these out. We don't need all of them. We just need enough. You probably didn't need to watch me turn all of these over. I probably could have cut this out, but I want to make sure that it's real, it's authentic. So be bored with me. All right, we definitely don't need this many. That is just going to be some overkill. Letters are letters. All right. Mix these all up. Now remember, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick 4 of these tiles. And we're going to just start off with whatever the first one is. That's going to be the first symbol. The second one's going to be the second symbol. So we'll do 4 symbols or 4 letters. And then if that does not make a ticker symbol that we can trade, then we're just going to drop off the old one or the fourth one, and then the third, and then the second, and then the first. So let's get started here. First one, that's a Z. That flipped over. I didn't mean to flip that over. Z's are going to be tough, but let's start out with it. Okay, let's look. Maybe my finger's stuck on that for a reason. Z, R, S, I. I can pretty much guarantee you we're going to be trading Zillow with Z, but let's go and see if we can find something. Let's start off with our symbol, ZRSI. Surprise, there's nothing. Let's look at ZRS. Okay, there is, well, that's ZRSEF. That's not what we're looking for. ZR. Let's see, we're not looking to trade futures, but that is the Rough Rice futures contract. I don't see anything in ZR here, especially when you look at stocks. So yes, I was right. We are going to end up trading Zillow Group. And boy, we're not even going to end up trading this because our rule was if the 13 EMA was going up, we would be long. If it's going down, we would be short. And you can see here, it's tough to see because, again, that candle's right on top of it. It is, I mean, if we got on there with a microscope, we could see that it's trading down flat. Again, this is where it doesn't really matter. It literally, I could flip over some more tiles and we could get something else. It doesn't matter. So out of laziness, I'm just going to go with this one. We're going to go with Z, and we are going to go with, again, let's get really zoomed in here to this moving average. Let's get as close as we possibly can. It is sloping lower slightly. So we're going to call this a short. We're going to go with the short in Zillow Group. The current price is 56.06. Current ATR is 209. For trade number 68, it is March 13th, 2024. The symbol is Z. We are going to be short. Current price is 56.06. So if we have an ATR of $2.09, our initial stop is 2x ATR. So that's going to be $4.18 above. Since we're short, that means that our initial stop is going to start at 60.24. We just have to get our position size, and then we'll go make the trade and attach the trailing stop. First thing we need to do is get our account balance. So our current account balance is $103,542. So we're going to use that to determine our position size on this Zillow trade. We're going to put that amount in here, 103,542. Our risk, as always, every trade has been 1%. Our entry, 5606. Our first stop loss is going to be at 60.24. Make these 0, and we'll hit this calculate button. It is giving us short 248 shares of Zillow. So now let's go make the trade. We'll attach our trailing stop, and then that will be the entry on trade 68. Let's put in our symbol of Z, Zillow. Again, we're going to be short, so we're going to be selling. Our quantity is 248. Our limit price, again, I'm just going to put it underneath the bid right now. I want to give myself a little bit of time to get this trailing stop built out. A trail. The trail is going to be $4.18. Make sure it's good till canceled. As always, we're going to hit the submit button. All right, and we were filled. What is our fill price? Our fill price was 56.082. We're just going to round that down to 56.08. So let's update those numbers, and we'll wrap this up. We were filled at 56.08, so we've got all these updated numbers. We already have our stop in, so if it goes against us, if Zillow goes up, we will lose that 1%. Now look, if it goes for us a little bit and then rebounds, we're going to lose less than that. Again, we're doing a trailing stop. If it does get down to 51.90, we're going to tighten up our trailing stop. If it does get to 47.72, we're going to tighten it down after that. We are simply going to follow the rules, the exact same rules we followed on the other 67, and they are giving us a decent return. Look, it's not a great return. We're picking stuff at random, but showing that you can make a profit just off of using position management strategies. So we're going to follow the same rules. We're going to go all the way to 100 trades, and then we will take a look at all the numbers and kind of wrap this experience up. Remember, don't deviate. Stick with your rules. Stick with your plan. Goodbye, everyone.